যে আমাকে শিখিয়েছে টেকনোলজি। ও যদি সাথে না থাকতো তাহলে হয়তো আমরা স্কুলটাকে বন্ধ করে দিতে হতো, বিকজ কানেক্টিং দ্য অডিয়েন্স through technology that she had taught, and she is the owner and proprietor of Moonlove Candles, and she is the concept and the designer of the Ed Talk show also. Thank you, Pritha.
So lovely and honored to have
Thank
you
you.
here.
Thank you.
Welcome on behalf of National Education Forum and Education Ed Talk Show, first ever in India. Yes, as ma'am had said, please enlighten us about your, especially your core competency and proficiency in the digital
Right.
technology. So can we have a walk us through this, please?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. And as you all know, if you have seen, if you have seen shows,
Right.
if you even see like this kind of a talk show, like what arrangement we are having, this
Right.
talk show,
Right.
you will see it's not like India has not done this.
Right.
There has been shows, but if you, I cannot take the name, but if you will see mostly celebrities are invited.
Correct.
In the shows, mostly celebrities are invited, so they are highlighted.
Correct.
They are getting all the TRPs.
Right.
So a person who is already famous
Right.
for their profession,
Right.
they are just coming to a stage and talking about, joking or just talking, and
Right.
millions of people are watching.
Right.
But there are literally so many people and so many, I mean, entrepreneurs,
Right.
educators,
Right.
who have so much more to say, and they make more sense.
Exactly. They're unsung heroes. They have so much of
They
potential.
have so much stories to share, and it is so inspirational.
Absolutely.
Because you will see all kinds of songs and all getting famous, but maybe only in a year only one uncommon person getting famous. Like only one underground person getting famous for maybe something a highlight.
True.
But there are so many, because
True.
in our daily life we meet so many people who are capable of so much more.
So much more.
Exactly. So, since out of India this concept is there that
Right.
normal people are able to get these stages to share their stories.
Right.
And with the help of Gitanjali ma'am,
Yes.
I could bring this idea into life. Thank you so much thank you so much for choosing me as the designer. I hope you all like the designs, and I hope, thank you so much. And
Done.
yeah, I hope you like the color. It's my favorite color.
Mine too.
Oh my god. Alright, so yeah. And the motto is that it should not be just focused on celebrities or people who are already famous. I want more common people and more ground people who want to share their stories
Correct.
come up to this platform.
Real life stories.
Exactly. Real life inspirational stories, not just made up or just taking out some poor people on some influencers, taking them on reality shows and just making content.
You're so right. Celebrities, as it is, they steal all the thunder.
Exactly.
So
you bring on celebrity,
Correct.
everyone, half 90% crowd is for that celebrity.
Correct.
Right. But no one is listening to common people.
Absolutely.
One common person will get famous only once a year.
Correct.
Because people don't want normal people to get famous.
Right.
Because if I get famous in this stage right now, or even within overnight, or if this dialogue, anything gets famous overnight and it reaches a view, I'll be famous overnight. But that doesn't profit the rich people.
Right.
That will not profit this country's rich people, because we know a concept that the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer.
Absolutely.
So this platform is made for people.
Yes.
Like, we want normal people, common people who have achieved something, who have went through so much struggle, not just limited to education, but even entrepreneurs who can inspire people in real life.
Of course.
Rather than copy pasting some quotes from the Google like some celebrities do and just coming up on stage and saying them, and that is
so
getting
cliche.
It's
heard
cliche,
again and again.
Yeah, because
I'm
the same
not
lines we
discrediting
keep
them.
hearing.
I'm not taking away anything from them, but it is so cliche. We have heard about it.
We keep hearing them, and we know that a lot of these kind of shows have come up, and only celebrities were included.
But what about some heroes?
Exactly. What about the audience? If you look into the audience, you will find so much more.
Right. Unheard stories.
Unheard stories, which are more inspirational than some celebrity saying some quotes.
Absolutely. And Lassis, what is your take? You have made it, so you'll be knowing the best about EdTalk
So the
and
main
National Education
motive
Forum.
and National Education. Thank you so much to National Education Forum for helping me bring this idea into light, and that's why I'm here right now. Thank you so much. And apart from it, the main goal and motto for this platform is helping out people and making this world aware of people like us, because if you see the people you have met here today, you won't be getting the same vibe from celebrities, or no matter how much famous they are, because you will see how much struggle they have actually went through. Because generational wealth is not something to brag about.
Absolutely.
Generational wealth is not something to brag about, and it is not a very hard job to be born in a rich family.
Right.
So when you struggle and you stand in your own legs, that's what I think. That's an actual story to be shared.
Yes.
Wonderful. Can you say 2 lines about your Moon Love candles?
And apart from it, I own a small business. So I make handmade scented candles.
You're an entrepreneur also.
Right.
Fantastic.
I have been into business, and I've been very interested in business since 2017.
Okay.
But at that time I was still studying.
Right.
So during lockdown, when I completed my boards, I came up with the idea of chasing my hobbies.
Yes.
My hobbies was, I have weird hobbies, alright. So I like collecting things.
Lovely.
So I wanted to make I wanted to make my hobby a business.
Right.
Because if you are passionate about something, you can definitely make a business out of it.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yes.
So my Moon Love Candles is a small candle shop. I make very unique and pretty candles. Like, they don't look like normal candles. They will look like a dessert or a candy or flowers. They look very realistic, but they're scented candles and completely handmade. So
how innovative! Fine, fantastic.
Thank you so much. I chose this candle path because I can target a large number of people.
Yes.
Candle is a business which will never go out.
And it's so holistic, aromatic, everything.
Exactly.
Yes,
It actually targets so many kind of people, because on Valentine's you can buy candles. During puja you buy candles. Spiritual people buy candles.
lot of it's a serene fragrance.
Exactly. Since it was a business which will never go out of the trend, so I went with it.
Very innovative.
Thank you, Sita. Thank you for your wonderful interview. And she is she deserves the EdTalk trophy, right? Nice talk.